Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share the story of how I turned my passion for goats into a thriving farm. This journey has been filled with hard work, challenges, and incredible successes. Whether you're just starting or considering goat farming as a future career, I hope my story inspires you to take the leap. My journey began with a simple dream. Ever since I was young, I had a deep love for animals, especially goats. I imagined myself living on a farm surrounded by these curious and playful creatures. But it wasn't just a dream. I knew I wanted to make it a reality. After years of dreaming and researching, I decided it was time to take action. I started by learning everything I could about goat farming. Reading books, watching videos, and even visiting local farms. The next step was finding the perfect location. I needed a place with enough space for the goats to roam and graze. After months of searching, I found this beautiful piece of land. It was everything I had hoped for. Of course, it wasn't easy. The land needed a lot of work. There were fences to build, shelters to construct, and so many other preparations to make. Finding the perfect location for goat farming involves careful consideration of several factors. Here are the key steps to help you make an informed decision. 1. Assess land suitability, size, and layout. Ensure the land is large enough to accommodate your goats with space for grazing, shelter, and future expansion. Topography. Look for gently sloping land to facilitate drainage and prevent waterlogging. Avoid steep slopes or low-lying areas prone to flooding. 2. Evaluate soil quality, fertile soil. Check for fertile soil that can support pasture growth. Conduct soil tests to determine pH levels and nutrient content. Drainage. Ensure good drainage to prevent muddy and unsanitary conditions that can affect goat health. 3. Water supply. Reliable source. Access to a reliable and clean water source is essential for drinking and irrigation. This could be a well, stream, or municipal water supply. Water quality. Test the water quality to ensure it is safe for livestock consumption. 4. Climate considerations. Temperature range. Choose a location with a climate suitable for goat farming. Goats can tolerate a range of temperatures but require protection from extreme heat or cold. Precipitation. Consider areas with moderate rainfall that supports pasture growth without causing excessive wet conditions. 5. Proximity to markets accessibility. Ensure the farm is located near markets or distribution centers where you can sell your products such as meat, milk, or fiber. Transportation. Good road access is crucial for transporting goats, feed, and other supplies. 6. Availability of resources. Feed supply. Proximity to suppliers of feed, supplements, and farming equipment can reduce operational costs. Veterinary services. Access to veterinary care is important for maintaining goat health and managing diseases. 7. Zoning and regulations, land use regulations. Verify that the land is zoned for agricultural use and that goat farming is permitted. Check for any specific local regulations or restrictions. Permits and licenses. Ensure you can obtain all necessary permits and licenses required for farming operations. 8. Community and support. Farming community. Being part of a farming community can provide support, knowledge sharing, and access to cooperative resources. Local extension services. Access to agricultural extension services can offer valuable advice and support for your farming endeavors. 9. Cost and investment. Land cost. Consider the cost of land and any additional investment required for infrastructure development. Long-term investment. Evaluate the potential for long-term growth and sustainability of the farming operation. 10. Natural protection. Shelter from elements. Natural windbreaks, such as trees or hedgerows, can provide protection from harsh weather conditions. Predator control. Assess the presence of natural predators and plan for necessary measures to protect your goats. By carefully evaluating these factors and taking the necessary steps, you can find a location that supports the health, productivity, and overall success of your goat farming operation. One of the most important decisions I had to make was choosing the right breed of goats. Each breed has its unique characteristics, so it was crucial to pick the ones that suited my farm's needs. After much consideration, I chose Boer goat. They are known for their hardiness, friendly nature, and excellent milk production. One of the goat breeds renowned for its hardiness is the Boer goat. Here's why. The Boer goat is originated and developed in South Africa for meat production. The Boer goat is well adapted to harsh climates and diverse environmental conditions. Adaptability. Boer goats can thrive in various climates, from hot, dry areas to more temperate regions. Their ability to withstand different weather conditions makes them a reliable choice for goat farming. Health. They are known for their robust health and resistance to diseases. This hardiness reduces the need for intensive veterinary care and ensures a healthier herd overall. Productivity. Boer goats are prolific breeders and grow quickly, making them highly productive and efficient meat producers. Temperament. They have a docile and friendly nature, making them easier to handle and manage compared to some other breeds. There are other hardy goat breeds like Kiko goat. Developed in New Zealand, Kiko goats are known for their low maintenance, rapid growth, and excellent resistance to parasites and diseases. They are also highly adaptable to various environments. Spanish goat. Also known as brush or scrub goats, Spanish goats are incredibly hardy and can survive in tough conditions. They are often used for brush control and meat production. Nubian goat. While primarily a dairy breed, Nubian goats are known for their adaptability to hot climates and overall hardiness. Choosing a hardy goat breed like the Boer, Kiko, Spanish, or Nubian goat can greatly enhance the success and sustainability of your goat farming operation. Their resilience and adaptability make them excellent choices for farmers looking to build a robust and productive herd. Building the perfect pen. Building the perfect pen was a challenging yet rewarding task. I wanted to create a safe, comfortable, and enriching environment for my goats. We built strong fences, cozy shelters, and even added some fun climbing structures. Seeing the finished pen and watching the goats explore their new home for the first time was incredibly satisfying. Overcoming challenges. Goat farming isn't all sunshine and rainbows. Goat farming can be a rewarding venture, but it comes with its own set of challenges. Here are some of the common ones. 1. Health issues. Goats are prone to internal parasites, such as worms, which can lead to severe health problems if not managed properly. Common diseases include pneumonia, foot rot, and mastitis. Regular health checks and vaccinations are essential to prevent outbreaks. 2. Nutrition management. Providing a balanced diet that meets all nutritional needs can be challenging, especially if you lack knowledge about goat nutrition. Ensuring the quality and availability of forage throughout the year, especially during dry seasons, can be difficult. 3. Housing and shelter. Building and maintaining proper housing to protect goats from extreme weather conditions, predators, and diseases is crucial. Providing enough space to prevent overcrowding and ensure the well-being of the goats. 4. Breeding and kid rearing. Managing breeding schedules, ensuring genetic diversity, and handling complications during birthing. High mortality rates among newborn kids due to diseases, lack of nutrition, or inadequate care. 5. Market access. Securing reliable markets for milk, meat, and other goat products can be challenging, especially for small-scale farmers. Dealing with market price fluctuations and ensuring a stable income. 6. Financial constraints. The initial cost of purchasing goats, building infrastructure, and buying feed can be high. Ongoing costs such as veterinary care, feed, and labor can strain financial resources. 7. Weather and climate. Managing goats in extreme weather conditions, such as drought or heavy rain, can be difficult. Adapting to changing climate patterns that affect forage availability and disease prevalence. 8. Knowledge and experience. New farmers often face a steep learning curve in understanding goat behavior, healthcare, and management practices. Limited access to up-to-date information and resources can hinder effective goat farming. Tips to overcome these challenges. 1. Regular health checks. Conduct regular health checks and work with a veterinarian to manage diseases and parasites. 2. Proper nutrition. Educate yourself about goat nutrition and provide a balanced diet, including supplements if necessary. 3. Adequate housing. Invest in well-ventilated, clean, and spacious housing to ensure goat comfort and health. 4. Market research. Research and establish reliable markets for your products and consider value-added products to increase income. 5. Financial planning. Plan your finances carefully, consider funding options, and keep track of expenses and income. 6. Continuous learning. Stay informed about best practices in goat farming through books, online courses, and agricultural extension services. While goat farming presents its challenges, with dedication and proper management, you can overcome these hurdles and build a successful and thriving farm. Each challenge taught me valuable lessons. I learned the importance of resilience, adaptability, and never giving up on your dreams. Despite the hardships, there were countless successes that made it all worthwhile. Watching my goats thrive, producing high-quality milk, and even welcoming new kids to the farm were moments of pure joy. These successes were a testament to the hard work and dedication I poured into my farm. Through this journey, I've learned so much. Goat farming has taught me patience, perseverance, and the value of hard work. It's not an easy path, but it's incredibly rewarding. The bond I've formed with my goats and the satisfaction of turning my dream into reality are things I cherish deeply. Thank you for joining me on this unforgettable journey. I hope my story inspires you to follow your dreams, whatever they may be. If you're considering goat farming, know that it's a path filled with challenges, but also immense joy and fulfillment. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more farming tips and stories. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or want to share your own farming experiences. Until next time, happy farming!